Hi guys, welcome to AC Technical. If you are trying to install the recent Cumulative Updates Preview for Windows 11 version 25H2 KB5077241 and you are getting the install error 0x80070306, you are not alone. Many users are seeing this error when installing the update through Windows Update. In this video, I will show you the fastest and most reliable fix. So let's fix it step by step. Here you will see that KB5077241 failed to install with error 0x80070306. Instead of troubleshooting Windows Update services, we will bypass the issue completely. Now open your browser and go to the Microsoft Update catalog website. In the search bar, type KB5077241. Then press search. Now you will see multiple versions of the update. Make sure you download the one that matches your system. Windows 11 version 25H2 for x64 based systems or ARM64 based systems. Here my system architecture is x64. So I will be download for x64 based systems. Then click the download button. A small window will appear with a .msu file link. Click that link to start downloading the update. Once the download finishes, open your Downloads folder. Double-click the .msu update file. Windows Update standalone installer will open. Click Yes to install the update. Now Windows will begin installing KB5077241 manually. This process may take a few minutes depending on your system. After the installation completes, Windows will ask you to restart your computer. Click Restart now. During restart, Windows will apply the update. After the system restarts, open Settings. Go to Windows Update. Now click Update History. You should now see KB5077241 successfully installed and the 0x80070306 error will be gone. That's the easiest way to fix the Windows 11 update failed error 0x80070306 when installing KB5077241. So I hope this guide was helpful for you. If you have any question or any advanced guide, then please let us know. Please like, comment, share. We need your support. And guys, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.